This morning, I'm going to show you how I'm making an omelet straight from the hydroponic garden. The Swiss chard is really nice size. And I just do 3 because the omelet's just for the 2 of us. And over here are some onions. So I'm just going to snip the tops for seasoning. Now I'm in the kitchen and I got some butter melting in the pan. And then I'm going to be cutting these into chunks to put in the butter, just to get them wilted a bit before I add the eggs. I'm just cutting them into 1-inch pieces. Now the butter is melted and I'm putting that Swiss chard in. I just cook it for a few, then I add the eggs. I just add 3 eggs because it's going to just be for my husband and I. While the eggs are cooking, I'm chopping up the onion greens from the hydroponic tower, and I'm going to be putting them on top of the omelet. After a few minutes, it's going to be ready to flip. I always separate mine out. I only eat about 1 egg. It also makes it easier to flip over. Now I'm ready to just sprinkle these onions on top. And this looks like it's going to be a really good recipe for my upcoming cookbook. It's going to be only things grown from the tower.